welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome. This is Memem and we're glad to have you here. For today's video, I'll be making another balloon decoration, and this is gonna be for Halloween. Alright, with that said, all the materials that we have here, we'll put it on the description down below. We'll start off with this bigger balloon. This is 24, and then 16, and this is 12 inches balloon. So with that said, we'll start off with this. I usually inflate this to make it, so the material will get stretched. So I get it stretched, and then once it's inflated, it's now stretched, I will deflate, release the air. And now you can either tie some knot of your 260 balloon, or you get some beads. For this particular video, my son was eating popcorn and I saw the cornel. So we'll use this one right here and we'll put it inside our balloon cornel, or you can use any beads. Okay, find your beads or cornel right there at the other end, right here. Okay, so we'll make a knot right here using your balloon, 260 balloon. Just tie the tip where the cornel is. Just like that, I tie that in and then cut your 260 balloon. So right here. Okay, I'm gonna go closer, you'll see it. So just like that, I get the cornel right there, or you can use some beads and just tie. So you do that on all your balloons, all right, with this and the orange. So I actually prepped them all, but let's inflate this first. So as I said, stretch this and then put some air. I put just about like this much, okay, and then tie the end, goes to the tip, like that. So now you will squeeze this one. So it shapes like that. Okay, you need 6 of this. 6 on the gold, 6 on the white, and 6 of your orange. So I already pre-prep them right here. So they're not really all the same, but as long as they're kind of about the same size. So you do them all like that. And then you pair this with your other one. Total of 6. You tie this together. Just like that. Now we'll do the same thing on the white one, so I'll inflate this. So this one is much smaller than the gold one. That's that, and then squeeze. So again, pair this together, tie it. Put this on the side, do the same thing on the orange one. Alright, so now let's put this together, put this on top, and then just twist. Do the same thing on this one, put this on top, and then just twist. So you get them all like that. Okay, so now basically you put these 2 together, any 2, tie, another 2, tie it, and then the other two. So when you tie them, put it across each other. So now that I got them all tied, you want to tie all the connectors right here. Tie them all up so they're all together. Just like that, so arrange it in place. Same thing on the bottom, just tie them all up so they are all connected. Squeeze them. There goes our first pumpkin. So we'll put this on the side. Now you'll do the same thing on the white one. So there's your white pumpkin. Ain't that cool? So do the same thing on our last color, which is the gold. Now there goes your pumpkin. So we'll put this in a column. We'll use our balloon stand right here. So the first one will be the biggest balloon or biggest pumpkin. You want to see the hole right here? Go to the opening. There goes your pumpkin. And it'll be better if you tie this on here. It's not going nowhere. Isn't that cool, guys? Alright, so we'll put some balloon leaf. Alright, so now we'll add this one right here. I'll just tie this together. And then just add it right on here. Again, I'm going to tie this to the actual base or balloon stand. Just like that. So now I'm going to show you how to make this. If you're new to this channel, we have a different video tutorial that you can follow right there, but I will also show it to you if you're new to this channel. So you need a pipe like this, okay, or smaller, and you need your 260 balloon. Stretch this, and then we'll inflate your 260 balloon all the way to the tip, and then release the air. I put one 260 balloon right here. This is, I'm gonna put it there just to hold your 260 balloon. Put it in between, put it right there to hold it in place, and make sure it's nice and flat. Twist it like this. Just like that. Tie this in. That's how you make your curl. Alright. So we'll continue on. We'll put the white one on top of this. Here's our white pumpkin. Again, put it in between. Very nice. And I'll inflate this one. Hold another one, same size. We can put it right here. There you go. Add this. And then our last pumpkin will be right here. So we'll put this on top. Same thing, there's a hole. Alright, so for the last part, we'll make leaf up there. Then add some more of this. And to keep this on here, I will use balloon glue dot right here. I will put 2 glue dots right here. And then arrange this in place with balloon glue dots. Alright, and there you go guys, it's finally done. This is our pumpkin. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Once again, this is FemMNY. We'll see you guys in our next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Bye.